here's the question then. We need to find out these two things. So let's have a look at it. So find inverse of the function first, a. So y is equal to e to the 5 minus x over 2 plus 6. So y minus 6 is equal to e to the 5 minus x over 2. Take logs both sides then. Log of y minus 6 is equal to 5 minus x over 2. So move the x over 2 over this side to plus x over 2. Leave the 5 as is and move the log over and flip its sign. We get that. And so x is equal to 2 lots of 5 minus ln y minus 6. So our inverse function then, swap the symbols around then. So f minus 1 of x, that's the y. If we swap the symbols around, equals 2 lots of 5 minus ln and swap the symbol here. Y goes to x, x goes to y. Okay, so that's the inverse function then. Right, okay. So that's what we've got then for the inverse function. Write down the domain of f minus 1. Well, that would be the range of this function. Okay, now this function, the range of f, so the domain of f minus 1 of f minus 1 is equal to the range of the function f, which is equal to, now this function here, if you look at this exponential, it's a minus, so it will just decrease in value, won't it? But it's plus 6. So at minus infinity, this will be minus infinity. It goes to, it will shoot up, won't it? Because this becomes plus. And e to a huge plus infinity would be infinity. And it's going to come down then when x is 10. 10 over 2 is 5, 5 minus 5 is 0, e to the 0 is 1. So it's going to come down to that value there at 10. So 10 over 2 is 5, 5 minus 5 is 0, e to 0 is 1, 1 plus 6 is 7. So it goes from 7 up to infinity, doesn't it? So 7 up to infinity. Now does it touch 7? Let's have a look back and be sure. Yeah, when x is 10 it's included, isn't it? So that 7 value is included. That's the range. Okay, so we just looked at it because we knew it was an exponential and it was just a decreasing function, wasn't it? This is a decreasing function. Its biggest value is at minus infinity, which was infinity. And then it comes down to 10, and that was the value when we put 10 in, we got e to the 0, which is 1 plus 6, which is 7. So decreasing function, that's the range, so that must be the domain then of f minus 1.